channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, support this video by liking it, share your thoughts in the comments section, and also share the link with your friends. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I stretch my 4C natural hair. It's very short, as you can see how I stretch it using hairbands. So stay tuned. I'm going to start off by actually shampooing and conditioning my hair. This is my weekly wash day routine. Nothing too complicated. I do plan on showing you guys what my typical wash day looks like from start to finish. So I do plan on creating a video around that, so look out for that. But I'm just gonna go straight into it and get my hair washed, and I will see you guys in a minute. So, because I was going to leave my afro out for a week, I had to make sure that I added a generous amount of the honey shea butter mix to ensure that my hair is moisturized and it stays moisturized throughout the week. I did not plan on adding additional hair product to my hair throughout the week too. So this is my first time, guys. This is my first time trying to stretch my hair with, well, I haven't stretched my hair ever. I've always kept it in its natural curly form. So this is gonna be the first time I try to stretch my hair with no heat. Yeah, I'm gonna use the hair bands to do it and see how that turns out. I know there's several methods to achieve this with no heat, but I'm gonna do this, and I will depend on how this turns out and what comes up. I might be willing to try also the other methods as well. So the process was very simple. You just take a section of your hair and then detangle as much as possible. I wanted my strands as detangled as possible, so I combed through a couple of times. And then yeah, just go ahead and grab one hairband and wrap it again around your hair. Nothing too complicated. It's pretty easy. The only thing is, if you have a bigger head like mine, it might take you some time to get through every single section. However, it's not a difficult process. You can do this whilst you're watching your favorite movies or something, so that way you're entertained one way or the other. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Grab a section of the hair and then wrap a hairband around it as you go down your strands. So I left the hairbands in overnight. I kept them in just for a day. My hair was wet prior to putting them in, so I wanted them to dry first or my hair would obviously shrink again. So yeah, it's time to unravel them. It's as simple as you can see in the video. Just go ahead and remove the hairbands one after the other. I really like the outlook of this. It gave me like twist out vibes, and twist outs are gonna look really good on my hair, that's all I have to say. But I was tempted to leave it in like this, but nah, we're trying to stretch out our afro today, so that's what we're doing. After removing all the hairbands, I went ahead to pick it out and see how well my afro would develop after this. One thing I must add though is that my hair was feeling so fluffy. Oh my god, it was so fluffy and soft, and I loved it. I would definitely be doing this more often whenever I want to keep my afro out, because my hair shrinks too much. Like if I add water to my hair right now, it's gonna shrink to about 60%. I went ahead to dress up my edges a little bit by just adding edge control. So here's the finished look. Honestly, you can pick out your fro to your desired style, but I was already in love with it. I love it. Like I said before, it was soft and fluffy. And yeah, I went ahead to pick it further just to cover up any dents anywhere. And then yeah, like I've always said, once the style hits right, you gotta dance. You gotta celebrate one way or the other. So yeah. It was worth the work, guys. It was worth it. Stretching my hair, my 4C natural hair, with no heat at all. Easy peasy. Nothing too complicated, guys. You know I always go for the easy way out. I'm a lazy natural like that. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video today. Remember, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. Please don't just watch and go. Thank you. See you in my next one. Bye bye.